Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to download Ubuntu. So very simple, very easy to show you the specs, everything that you need. So we'll go through this. So all you do is you can go type in Ubuntu download and then go to download, and you can download 24, 22, whichever one you're looking for. You'll simply just click this, it'll start downloading for Ubuntu's website. Once you have it, then you'll be able to go in here and then you'll be able to create new in VirtualBox. So very simple. You just go here and we'll do Infinity Ubuntu, and then you'll go grab your ISO image wherever you place that. So if you place that inside of your downloads, I'd suggest moving it to like documents, just to be able to have that permanently, just so when you wipe your downloads, you don't accidentally wipe your ISO. So go here, you'll grab that. I like to not do the unattended installation, so I'll go here and then I'll click next. So from here, we'll actually bring it back, and then we'll go like this, and then we'll do Ubuntu specs requirements. So then we'll go here, and it says minimum 1 gigabyte, and then minimum so minimum RAM is 1, suggested minimum is 3, and then it says minimum storage is 5 gigabytes for the ISO install, but then I think it truly means is what, 25 gigabytes or more. I usually give mine about 50 to 60 almost every single time, no matter what. So it says 1 is minimum, 3 suggested minimum for RAM, storage 5, 4 gigabytes for cloud, and then suggested minimum storage overall is 25. So with all of that, we'll go in here. So we'll go here, I'm going to give it at least 4, so 4096, and then I'm going to give it 4 cores for CPU, and then I am going to give it, let's give it 60. That's the good amount that I like to always give it. So with that, we'll go through here, and then we'll start it. So the only other things, if you want to install VirtualBox additions, you can do that as well. There's the same thing for VMware, it's the same thing for Hyper-V. Have all these and able to work with your main operating system. So try our install in Ubuntu is what we're going to go to. So we're going to load in here. It's not going to be the fastest because it is virtualized with not a crazy amount of memory and specifications on this host machine, but we're going to go from here, load it full screen just so y'all can see everything. We're going to go through the steps of everything of how to install. So I don't know if y'all have seen installs before, but just make sure that you're ready for the bash series, that you have a fresh install of Ubuntu so you can run through all the scripts pretty easily. And then the only thing I'd suggest is pulling down the repo of the wicked shell scripting. Pull that down from GitHub, and then on top of that I have your book by your side. So being able to look at both of those is definitely going to help you out. So we'll load into here, and once we're loaded into here, then you'll go in and you'll click install, because there's just like, you can try it and just look around, but what you really want to do is do the install. So there's try, click your language, whichever one that is, and then go to install, boom, boom, oh, and then you want to click continue. I'll go back a step. So we'll do install real quick, and then we'll go to the next one, do continue. And then from here, I like to do minimal just to make it a little bit easier. For the other one that I did double check both of these download updates and then install third-party software just for this, just to make it a little bit quicker so you can see the overall process of everything just like this. So we'll do minimal, and then you guys can do normal if you want with both the installs, however you want it. I always do minimal and then both those checked. So then pick your location is going to be the next step, and then we're going to wipe it. Wipe the space. The importance of that is it makes sure that that space is allocated just for Ubuntu, because now that you have that, it's going to ask that space. So it's going to say, hey, I want that 60 gigabytes of space just allocated for Ubuntu and nothing else. So that's what it's asking right now. It won't wipe any of your systems on your host machine. What it's doing is it's like setting a space that's going to be this 60 gigabytes is going to be on your machine. This will be filled up, and then we'll click where we are, and then boom, go to this next step. And then once you do this, we'll allow it to run all the way through. We'll create the username, login, and the password. So for what I have here, Infinity, and then we'll just keep that, and then we'll have the password be this, and then boom, 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 And then I like to do login automatically. Not best practice, but you can require password at login if you would prefer. Go like that, and that'll be the last step. So now it'll run all the way through, and then you're going to be able to log in. After all of this, once it goes all the way through, you're going to be able to have your own Ubuntu installation. So very simple, very easy. I'm just going to end it here because once this is done, if you're on VirtualBox, all you do is you'll shut it down, you'll turn it off, which is very simple, and then you're able to turn it back on, and then you'll be into your installation. It's as simple as that. So there's not many more steps from that, and then you'll be able to follow along through the entire scripting series. So if you would leave a like and subscribe, definitely appreciate it. Comment down below if you have any questions. Definitely happy to help out with anything if you have any issues throughout the installation process. But hope you learned a little bit. Hope you have a great day. Peace.